Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for December 17th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. Another very low-range day from high to low. If you look at the candle here, just another very quiet day overall, but we did squeak out more gains to close again at new highs. The Dow Jones was higher by 31 points. The S&P 500 higher by just 1 point, the nasdaq higher by 9, and the Russell 2000 higher by 7 points. The bond market pulling back, albeit slightly, and the yield on the 10-year note now sits at 1.878%. Crude oil did manage a gain of 66 cents, or a little over 1%, while gold was completely flat on the day, and the dollar was pretty flat as well, managed a slight gain. Now, after market close, FedEx coming out with second quarter earnings. They did come in weaker than expected. They came in at $2.51 compared to an expected number of $2.76. Their revenue was also lighter, came in at $17.3 billion compared to $17.58 billion expected. They also lowered their full year guidance, their future guidance for the rest of the year. And right now, in the after-hours trading session, FedEx shares are lower by $10.36 or 6.35%. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.